Hey YouTube, this is Zach with the Gaylords Financial, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about Nvidia. Nvidia is a stock that I cover on the channel a number of times every year, and honestly at this point every month. And the reason because this stock is going to continue to be paramount to a lot of future tech developments. The one that I'm primarily looking at right now is AI enhancements, particularly as we continue to see AI continue to gain a foothold in the everyday use case, at least for early adopters in the form of websites such as OpenAI's ChatGPT, or you can see some items such as DALL-E, which is utilizing visualizations. But all in all, it points to the fact that people are going to continue to need very robust data centers. They're going to continue to rely on the cloud, and they're going to continue to need processing power, all of which benefit a company like Nvidia. So when we talk about what the stock's been doing lately, it's actually come down off of a high, which again, when we talked in the Discord, we highlighted this is a little too high for something that is overall the broader industry or the macro environment is not looking favorably upon big tech, but in particular semiconductors. Now, part of that is going to continue to be geopolitical risk associated with China-US tensions and certain laws that have restricted the capability for Nvidia to sell into the Chinese market. And that is actually what brought down the stock from the prices back in early August, where we saw prices come down from the 160s to 170s all the way down below $110 a share. Now, if you had purchased at that point in time, you would be currently sitting on a more than 50% unrealized gain. However, the question is, do we go back down to retest those lows? So we've seen a few days selling off. However, we may see a little bit of a bump before the end of the year associated with tax loss selling or, again, the proverbial Santa market rally. However, I think that as you continue to see that these industries, and in particular semiconductors, are having to push a lot of inventory by getting rid of it, you're continuing to see them lower prices, you're continuing to see them have to get new inventory out the door, which has resulted in overall lower revenue, and unfortunately, you're actually seeing a lower net income associated with that as well. So the question is, going forward, what are they going to do? I think they're primed to do well in a long-term goal, but as they continue to have excess inventory, as you continue to wait to see some of these supply chain issues get pushed, we're going to continue to see current prices trade at a premium. Again, when we talk about the overall valuations for these stocks, you're talking PE ratios of more than 3 times the industry average. And in price to sales, they're more than twice. So they continue to trade at a premium. And at this point in time, I do think that Nvidia continues to be a little expensive, but I'm by no means a financial advisor. What I'm going to be looking to do is continue to watch the stock decline in the near future, if that's okay. Again, I don't have any options on the stock. I don't have any shares of the stock, but I do expect prices, particularly in big tech, to normalize, and I wouldn't look to buy this stock at this point in time. I will be looking closer to the $100 a share range, where it was back in the October-November timeframe. And if I miss this one, then I miss this one. I've played it a number of times. However, at this point in time, I think that it continues to stay quite overpriced, despite the fact that we do have the capability to potentially see this stock and its underlying semiconductor capabilities and their chip products be a key component and a key value add associated with AI tech going forward. I don't think that we're there yet, but that's just my opinion. So if you find this content helpful, please leave a like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. Thanks. Talk to you later.